Another frequently asked question which I get is which stock is best for beginners. To help you understand, I'm going to start by reframing your mindset, because asking this question just might be the worst way to start investing. Let's discuss. So here's the way I see it. Relying on someone else's stock tip is a recipe for disaster. This is because you won't have any conviction in the decision, because you won't understand why you're investing in the stock. And when the price drops, as it often does at some point, you'll panic and start to doubt everything. You'll start to wonder, what if the person who gave the tip didn't do their homework? What if their analysis was wrong? And what if they didn't even know how to value a stock in the first place? Remember, you're the one who's going to end up losing the money, not them, because they've probably moved on to the next tip. And you're the one who's left holding the bag, confused and frustrated. So what should you do instead? Here's what I'd suggest. Start by doing your own research. You can start by looking at the financial statements of the company, for example, the income statement, the balance sheet, and the cash flow statement, and try to determine how the company is really doing. Is it making money or is it losing it? Is the company growing or just surviving? What are its future prospects? And most important of all, is the company even worth investing in? Then try to value the business. Ask yourself, how much is the company actually worth? And how much would I be willing to pay for it? Yes, it takes time to learn to read financial statements and value businesses, but it's worth it. You see, once you learn how to evaluate and value businesses, you'll never need to ask the question, which stock is best for beginners again, because you will already know what to look for.